In question number 4, if there are 50 mangoes in a box, how will you write the total number of mangoes in the terms of number of boxes? Here the number of boxes we are taking it as B. See, the number of mangoes in a box are 50. 50 mangoes are there. Okay. And in 50 mangoes, total and B are the number of boxes. One box 50 mangoes. अब हमें पता नहीं है कितने boxes हैं. एक box में हमें पता है 50 mangoes are there, but we do not know how many number of boxes are there, so we are taking it as B. So total number of mangoes will be 50 into B, that is 50 multiply B, that is 50B. Clear? Same in case of here also, the teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. एक बच्चे को 5 pencils दे रही है मैम, ठीक है? So can you tell how many pencils are needed given the number of students S? Number of students we are taking it as, we don't know how many number of students are there. एक बच्चे को 5 pencils मिल रही हैं. So each student is getting 5 pencils. That means 5 multiply S. जितने number of students होंगे वो 5 multiply S. That is 5S. Clear? Any query? Anybody wants to ask anything, they can raise their hand. Yes, 5S, that's right. Arnav, Puneet, you have written 50B. Okay, ठीक है. That's correct. Clear, children? Anybody is having any query regarding that, you can ask, you can raise your hand. Vaibhav, read question number 6.
Yes, ma'am. A bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minutes?
Yes.
Use T for flying time in minutes.
So we are representing flying time as T. Bird
Yes, ma'am.
fly करती है, so we are representing flying time as T over here. And
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, how many kilometers it is flying? A bird is flying. 1 minute, 1 kilometer. 1 minute में 1 kilometer travel कर जाती है bird.
Yes, ma'am.
1 kilometer it is flying. So the distance covered will be 1 minute multiply flying time. And flying
Yes,
time
ma'am.
is T. So 1T, 1 multiply T will be 1T or T kilometers.
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell the answer?
No. Yes, Aditya Purohit.
Can I tell the answer?
Yes, beta.
Okay. The flying time is represented by T. Distance covered in 1 minute is equal to 1 kilometer. Distance covered when T is equal to 1 comma is 1 kilometer, or 1 into 1 kilometer is equal to 1 into T kilometer.
Do not write that much. Itna hi, you just have to write ki the minutes for the flying time is T. The distance covered in 1 minute is 1 kilometer. So in 1 minute will multiply flying time. That is 1 into T. T kilometers will be the answer. Why you are writing T is equal to 1, then 1 into T, and then T equal to 2, and then 2 in 2 kilometer. You do not need that. T kilometer is the answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya Purohit, Arnav Agarwal. Read Aditya. Question 7.
Ma'am, question 7 is Radha is drawing a lot of rangoli.
Lot नहीं है बेटा, it's a dot rangoli.
A
Dot
rangoli.
Drawing करके rangoli she is drawing.
A dot rangoli, a beautiful pattern of lines joining dots with chalk powder. have for a row? How many dots are there if there are 8 rows? If there are 10 rows?
So there are 8 rows and the 8 rows dots are there. She is joining a dot and making a rangoli, Radha. So number of dots in one row is 9. In our row likha hai. So in one row there will be 9 number of dots are there. And number of rows, we don't know how many number of rows she is making. She is making a rangoli. She is putting the dots. One line she has started and she has started applying 9 dots. And I don't know how many rows she will be making for making a rangoli. So I have named it as number of rows will be R. Okay. So total number of dots will be in a row multiply the number of rows. That is 9 into R will be 9R. Okay, so these are the total number of dots in R rows. Now, if they are saying that if there are total number of rows are 8, then what will be the answer? If the number of dots in 8 rows, if number of dots in 8 rows will be, if she is making 8 rows and in one row she is making 9 dots, so 9 into 8. है ना? If in one row she is making 9 dots, एक रो में 9 dots बना रहे हैं. See in this way. See my board. See, she is applying 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dots in one row she is applying. These are the 9 dots which she is applying in one row. Now we don't know how many number of rows she is making. So we have named it as 9R. Now in the second part they are saying that she is making 8 rows out from like these 9 dots. She is making 8 rows. This is second row. Then she is making third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. 8 rows she is making like that same. So that it will become 9 into 8. 9 8s are 9 8s are 72. So 72 dots will be there. Now in the next part they are saying if there are total number of rows will be 10. In one row there are 9 dots, and if she is making 10 rows same like this, then it will become 9 into 10. That will be 90. Then it will become 90. Okay. So number of dots in 10 rows will be 90. This is the question. Is it clear? Chitra, read question number 8.
Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be X year.
Okay. Here we are taking the Radha's age will be X because it is given in the question that Radha's age will be X years. So we are taking Radha's age will be X, and Leela's age will be taken as 4 years younger than Radha. She is younger than Radha. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. So Radha is bigger. So x minus 4 we are doing. As I have given you the example right now, that if you are 10 years old and your younger brother is 4 years smaller than you, so you are subtracting na 10 minus 4, then only he will be 6 years old. You have taken out the age. In the same way here also, Radha is a bigger sister and Leela is a younger sister. So we are subtracting Leela's age with the number of years she is smaller than that. So x minus 4 years will be the answer. Clear? Got it, children?
Laddus. She gives. Mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. If the number of laddus mother gave always is L, how many laddus did she make?
Yes. Your mother has made some laddus. Diwali आ रही है, मम्मा लड्डू बनाएंगी ना? So she has made some laddus, okay? And she has given some laddus to the guest and the family members, whosoever is sitting, and she has given some laddus to them. Still, there is a plate. On that plate, 5 laddus are remained. बच गए, 5 laddus रह गए. Now, if she has given the laddus, the family members has eaten, the guest has eaten is L. We are taking it as L. How many laddus they have eaten, we don't know. We are taking the number of laddus as L, which they have already eaten. Now, and still 5 laddus are there left with your mother. So we want to find in this question that how many laddus did your mother make? Total number of laddus did she make? We have to find it out. Okay. So what we are going to do? Number of laddus mother gave to the family members and your relatives, that is L. We are taking it as L because it's given in the question L. है ना? Number of laddus she has given L, and remaining laddus are 5. We know this thing. These two things we know, that she has given the laddus, number of laddus, that is L, and the laddus which will remain are 5. So what we are going to do? Number of laddus plus remained laddu. जो आपके फैमिली रिलेटिव्स ने खा लिए और जो मम्मी के पास बच गए, those all laddus will be added together. तभी तो we'll get it total number of laddus which we are there. Then only we'll get to know how many total number of laddus are there. So L plus 5 laddus are there. That's it. This will be the answer. If we know the quantity ki how many number of laddus did your relatives have eaten, then we easily add 5 with that and we can take it out, total number of laddus. If alphabet is given L, so we'll add it with L. Got it? Question number 10. Unmute yourself and read the question. Sunair.
Oranges are transferred from a larger boxes into a smaller boxes. When larger box is emptied, the orange from it emptied, the oranges from it fill 2 small boxes, and still 10 oranges remain outside. If their number of oranges in a small box are taken, we ask what is the number of orange in the larger box.
Yes. Oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into the smaller boxes. बड़े वाले जो boxes हैं उसमें से smaller boxes में oranges को हमने transfer किया. We have transferred those oranges from large box, big box to small box. Okay. When a large box is emptied, हमने खाली जब कर दिया, बड़ा वाला box जब हमने खाली कर दिया, then the oranges from it fill 2 smaller boxes. जो बड़े वाले box के oranges थे वो 2 छोटे छोटे oranges के 2 छोटे छोटे boxes में fit हो गए. ठीक है. Still 10 oranges are remain outside. 2 boxes fill होने के बाद भी 10 oranges बच गए. Okay. Understood? This much. If the number of oranges in a small box are to be taken X, अगर हम small box को X मानते हैं, then what is the number of oranges in the larger box? Then उस पूरे बड़े वाले box में कितने total oranges थे हमें ये बताना है. Okay, we need total number of oranges in the large box. Got the question? So in this question, number of oranges in small box, it's given in the question that we are taking it as x. In the small box, we are taking small box is equal to x. And there are two small boxes. एक बड़े बॉक्स से हमने oranges निकाले और दो small boxes में भरे थे. So number of small boxes are 2. Then it will be 2x. If one small box is equal to x, then two small boxes is equal to 2x. Got it? This much? Okay. Now, number of oranges which are remained. जितने बच गए oranges which are, how many are they? 10. 10 oranges are remained. After filling the two small boxes, 10 oranges are remained. Then the number of oranges in the two smaller boxes plus जो दो smaller boxes में oranges आ गए plus 10 oranges जो बाहर रह गए, we'll add all those so that we can get the total number of oranges on a large box. जो बड़े वाले box में कितने oranges थे हमें पता चल जाएगा. 2 small box plus 10 outside. Okay, so 2 small box is 2x plus 10. 2x plus 10 will be the answer. Number of oranges in a large box. Clear? Understood, children?